Hello and welcome. This is a video on how to use how to find the correlation coefficient using the TI-84. Right now you should have the correlation coefficient worksheet, and it says enter the sets of data into the graphing calculator on the back of the sheet and set your window xmin equals 0, xmax equals 10, ymin equals 0, ymax equals 10. Part 2, draw a scatter plot for each and record the value of R underneath. So what is it talking about is you're going to turn over the back of your page and you're going to see these things, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And you're going to create a scatter plot in these 9 boxes, okay? But before we do that, I just want to show you how to use your calculator to calculate the correlation coefficient and also to explain what the correlation coefficient is. First, let's start off with this. Hit Stat. You're going to edit, and we're going to do the first one together. So for x, it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 8, 10. So I hit 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 8, 10. For y, so I go to L2, it's 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. Double check to make sure that you have the same thing as I do. Next, you're going to go to before you go to calculate, you have to go to settings. So you're going to go to mode. And I want you to go all the way down to, it says right here, stat diagnostic, and it says off because it's set to off automatically. You're going to switch it to on. That's all you have to do. So it's on. Oh, and how I did it is I went all the way to stat diagnostic. I highlighted on, and then I hit enter. That's all you have to do. Alright, you hit stat, go to calculate, go down to line rig AX plus B, hit enter, list 1, list 2. Now double check because you might have list 3 or 4 or whatever you whatever the lists are that you put your X and your Y. Go down to calculate and hit enter. Now I have AX equals Y equals AX plus B. 0.88 is A. B is 0.18987. But now you have R squared and R, and the correlation coefficient is R. And what you need to know about this, what you need to know about the correlation coefficient, which we represented as R, is that there's key numbers. So if R is in between 0.7 and 1, we call this a very strong positive correlation. So what that means is X increases, Y increases. And I suggest that you write this down in your notes. Also, on the flip side, if R is between -1 and -0.7, then this is a negative correlation because as X increases, Y decreases. Alright? Now, something I want to bring to your attention is that if R is between 0.4 and -0.4, we say that this is a weak to no correlation. Okay? So there may be no correlation, but definitely it's not a strong correlation. Now, if we go back to our problem, one moment. You notice that you have to, for each draw a line of best fit, which you guys have the info for. But now for number 4, you can do this too. For each graph, describe how closely the points are. And for that, you just look at the R and you say, oh, well, this is 0.957. That is a strong positive correlation. How did I know it was a strong positive correlation? Well, if I go back to my notes and I go to the top, I see that 0.957 is larger than 0.7, but smaller than 1, and so therefore it is a strong positive correlation. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope it helped. If you have any questions, just pull me over. Until next time.